Hi, my name is Joseph Susanto. Today, I'll be showing you how to make egg fried rice in 10 simple steps. So egg fried rice is a very easy stir fry that anyone can make. However, since it is a very fast cooking technique, you need to make sure to prepare all the ingredients before starting. You'll be needing cooked rice, eggs, spring onion, garlic, soy sauce, sesame oil, salt, pepper, and neutral cooking oil. Make sure to wash your ingredients before cooking by rinsing it under running water. After cleaning, peel the garlic. Next, crush the clove of garlic to enhance its flavor, then start chopping. Then, you can start chopping the spring onion. After which, you can heat up cooking oil on a pan. Make sure that the neutral cooking oil is spread evenly across the pan. Step 5. Fry the minced garlic until it turns into a golden brown color. You should be careful in this step as to not cook the garlic for too long, as it may burn. Step 6. Cook the eggs and scramble it with a spatula. Make sure to remove any eggshells that you might have dropped. Make sure that the eggs, white and yolk, are well incorporated. Then break into smaller pieces. Step 7. Add in the rice to fry. Make sure that the rice is spread out. Flip and toss constantly to heat the rice evenly. If there are still some clumps, press them with a spatula to separate the rice grains. Step 8. Season with salt and pepper. The salt and pepper provide a base flavor. Step 9. Season with soy and sesame sauces. Soy sauce offers an umami taste, and the sesame oil provides extra aroma. Give everything a good stir to evenly distribute the seasonings. Before dishing out, taste some to see if you need more salt or pepper or sauces. Lastly, add the finely chopped spring onion. Then, you can start serving the fried rice. Thank you for watching.